time to venture out around Austin. We had a good night last night. Went to see my friend who was singing in a band. Really good show. I'm a little bit tired today, so we're going to meet up with them. Just heading out the hotel now, and we're going to a place called La BBQ. Some real Texan barbecue. We cannot wait. I just need to order a Uber, and this place is only about 2 minutes away, so yeah, we cannot wait to get some food and catch up with my friend. Didn't have much time last night to chat to him. They were busy doing band stuff. Gaz is just changing his t-shirt because he doesn't want to wear white, same as me. What a dick.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good day. You too.
Team cool.
Hey.
How's it going, buddy? All good?
Hey.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, how you doing?
Terrible, actually.
Really?
Yeah. This place looks busy.
Yes.
Popular place.
Well, Poland's like a sandwich, like a hoagie sandwich that you usually have like a fried shrimp or they're kind of like banh mi's.
Okay.
Yeah, but Cajun.
It's really good. It's like a Cajun sandwich.
Yeah.
Right, well, my juices are definitely starting to flow now.
Yeah.
You like sweet things, beignets.
I've heard of the beignets.
Yeah, it's like a French donut.
Fried donut. It's not got a hole in it though. But,
Well, that's not a donut, sorry, Kate.
Yeah.
Listen, I can almost smell the meat.
That's a smoker right there.
Oh, massive. Huge.
And then a restaurant that is just like old-fashioned, very much Southern food. It's like biscuits and gravy, chicken fried steak, fried eggs.
All right, what was that one called?
Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel. All right, we'll give that one a go.
Well, it's like Disneyland took the idea of the American South and made a restaurant out of it. Yeah.
All right, now we've got to try it. What would you say is the best thing to have in a Cracker Barrel?
Chicken fried steak.
Chicken fried steak.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or biscuits and gravy, but you've already had that. So chicken fried steak.
I did it, but I don't think I had a good one.
Yeah.
I think my biscuits and gravy was subpar.
Yeah.
After it was like, guys, I feel pretty sick after that.
That's how you're supposed to feel.
That's a good sign after American food.
Everything here is good. So they have pork, sometimes they have chicken, I think they have turkey. Actually, I wouldn't bother. They're big for turkey. Everything is good. Yeah, they've got pulled pork, chopped beef, sausage, all that's good.
I just want a big plate of it. I just want to,
Yeah. Oh my god.
I can't wait. I cannot wait. I even forgot we were waiting for food. I thought we were just
having a day out, drinking. 4 meats, £1/4 of each.
Right, gonna get a ½ pound of brisket.
£1 pound of brisket.
½ pound of chipotle sausage.
Sausage, it's by the wing, so you just want one?
Oh, 2.
2 chipotle.
Could I get ½ pound of pulled pork? Could I get another ½ pound of brisket?
Yeah.
Yep. And then that will be everything. Yep. Wow. Yep.
So it'll be 52, 54. 52. But again, let's kind of wait till it's done space. We might get potato salad, baked beans.
Baked beans, I think and then chipotle sauce or pickles, mac and cheese.
Yeah. It's just kind of use this.
Where's the way?
I'm too excited to eat.
Yeah. Yeah.
You'll see everything.
Looking forward to this.
Amazing.
Absolutely. Rihanna's the owner.
Right, well, No more talking for the next half now. Very nice guys.
That is a real healthy man's breakfast. Beer and meat.
This one, the full court. Good.
The United States. Mustard sauce.
This is good. Yeah, I've still got a long way to go, to be honest.
Otherwise he will.
Oh my god. Perla's is a good place to drink. It's a seafood restaurant. They have a big patio and they have nice drinks. Any restaurant that you pass is a contender.
We're in Perla's Bar, recommended by Kate. Thank you. This is a delicious watermelon frozen cocktail thingy. Super refreshing, just what I wanted today. Oof. Oh, that's got a kick to it. Oh god. So
Margarita tastes better than that, do you?
I don't think so. So it tastes pretty bad. It tastes terrible. So what I said, yeah, don't come here. But the recommendation was still appreciated. Yeah, nice atmosphere. Just don't get weird drinks. So really cool place. Lots of bars, restaurants. Tomorrow we're going to head off towards New Orleans. Not exactly sure where. We've done a lot of cities now and we want an authentic taste of America.
A Louisiana backwater, that's what we're looking for.
Louisiana backwater, thank you guys. Exactly what we're looking for. Watch this space.